It's me, Grady. I know I haven't filmed in a while, but right now, for Easter, the Easter Bunny said he would bring me another fidget spinner, but he got two, one for me and one for my cousin. So this is my cousin's. It's pink. Mine started as pink, but I customized it. So I'm going to be doing a video on fidget spinners. So right now, this is my customization. Painted it all on my own. I'll put it back in the box just to show. I'm gonna be releasing these, the own custom ones, and I will be releasing more colors soon, but I don't have this released yet. So I'm gonna make my own website. I don't know what it's gonna be called yet, but I'm gonna get a whole bunch of fidget spinners and customize them, and then you can send me stuff in the comments saying what kind of fidget spinner you want, and once we get the website up, I'll make one for you and I'll send it out directly to you. So this is just very quick YouTube video. Fidget spinner, it's real stuff. It's not fake. Here, I'll even take it out. So this is my customization. No one else has this customization in the world, I'm pretty sure. So it's nice, fresh. It's dope, seriously. So we got this, and then we got the back side of it. So yeah. So it's pretty nice, awesome, cool. It's first, I don't know if I've said this in the video yet, but this fidget spinner right here first started out as one of these. So it's really cool. This can turn into this, which is so cool. So it's really easy to do if you really want to make one on your own. I mean, really, these are just going to be $1 on my thing because I'm just ordering off of the Amazon. So I'm just ordering these off of Amazon because it's just easier, and so I can get a lot, just cheap, $1. So same price on Amazon. And then if you want plain ones, of course I'll have some plain ones out there for you guys. All pink, blue, and black. And if I can find any other colors, I'll probably do that. And if you just want me to do one color, all like blue or all like orange or something, I can do that for you. Or I can just send you one of the kind of things. I'll have pink, of course, because I have a pink one right here. So here's how it's gonna start, and then I'll just paint and stuff over it like this. So yeah.
Can I see that? Can I see that?
So that was my cousin just taking it. So right now I'm just in California right now, having a blast. And I also have a fidget cube that I got for Easter. I might do some fidget cube stuff too. Really? Oh shoot. Okay, so then I got a fidget cube here. All black fidget cube. Didn't customize it yet. So pretty cool. All 6 sides. I really like it. I mean, I'll probably customize it at some point. So if you want me to do some customizations on the fidget cube too, get this video to 1,000 likes, because really no one watches my videos, but I still make some. So I really hope you guys like the idea for this. So if you like the idea, say in the comments, say I like the idea. Then I'll probably do it. So for sure, I'm going to do this for sure. And I'll maybe do customizations on the fidget cube. So if you guys like that idea, give it a thumbs up and say I like that idea. So that's kind of all that we have today. But I mean, fidget spinner. I mean, this is like really cool. You can do your own customizations, or I can do customizations for you. So yeah, hope you like the fidget spinner idea, and maybe I'll do the fidget cube idea too.
Put a couple extras in so you can share. You can share with Grady, okay?
So the fidget.
And well, what is this? What is this? Like your minion? Does he sit here as your minion?
The fidget spinner, then the fidget cube. This, I am definitely doing customizations on this. Put it, I'll do, sell these for $1 on my thing once I get it put up. So, and then I'll also do, maybe do some customizations on this. I'm not for sure that I'll do these, but we're definitely doing the fidget spinner. So get this to 1,000 likes, and I'll do 1,000 likes, and I will do some customizations on this. So I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah. So peace.